What's up everyone, welcome back into the channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in. So obviously we are up in the big shop today. We're gonna be working on some of the door components here for the Project 98. But before we do that, I just wanna wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I know my fiance and I are thankful for each and every one of you guys. You've helped the YouTube channel over the years. I know she's helped tremendous amounts, so I can't thank her enough. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and work on the Project 98 doors today. I had a video filmed about the LED lights that we actually put in the shop here that's shining nice and bright on the side of my face. But I forgot to film the outro, so I decided to scratch them, and I've just been kind of posting YouTube shorts just because of that winter storm that came through. It got super cold, and I know I didn't want to be outside. So, like I said, today's video, we're just gonna be working on swapping the door components over from my old doors over to the new doors, and then we're just gonna go from there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on in.
Ryan Little.
Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a quick update. So the fiance's behind the camera. We came down here, just kind of want to knock a little bit out on the truck real quick. So what we're doing is taking all the old components from the old door and swapping over to the new door. We took all of the little 7mm bolts for the inner panel out. We got the rods, and the inner panel is actually out, it's down here. We got the door latch assembly and the door handle out, and then I opted to put the window track, the felt track system from this door into the new door just because it's a little bit better shape. So we got all that stuff done. In the clips before, you've seen that we found, or I have, two good windows. The bottom track on this one that we took out, as you can tell, is in pretty rough shape. The other one was pretty clean. It just doesn't have any window tint on it, so I'll probably take it to a tint shop once the truck is done and get it re-tinted. I tinted the back window myself, but these ones I want to make sure they're a little bit better. The back one, if it's got a little bit of a bubble, dirt in it, I'm not too concerned about it. I just want these ones to look as good as they can be, and then also with the side windows. So we opted to put the new glass in. We painted it to clean it up a little bit, and then we're just gonna let it dry, toss it in the truck. We have the door latch and the assembly all mounted in already. We just have to put the new panel in and run our bars over to our interior door handle and the interior lock, and then put our window track system back in, and it's pretty much ready to go. We just have to run our wire harness to all our components on the inside. So. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video. We got quite a bit done. A lot of the door components from the old doors are swapped over to the new ones. There's a couple time lapse in there. We got the window and everything in there. It's amazing how rusty this door is. I mean, it is just terrible. This is the old one. It's in terrible shape. I'm glad I decided to repaint this truck and take it that extra step and get all new components and everything. I'm gonna be using the same mirror, but I'm gonna sand it completely down and we're gonna do a nice refresh black paint job on them. We have the window felt from this, like I said, over into the new door there. And we just got everything swapped over to make it nice and neat. I'll show you guys, the door handle is in. We have a lot of this stuff, but I broke the little clip. So if you look, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but the locking mechanism, there's a little push in plastic clip, kind of like this one over there. Just a tiny little circle. It's actually in the office. When I was taking it apart over here, I cracked it and I will crack the one side. So this is what I'm dealing with, that little push pin clip. So there's supposed to be another ear tab on this other side, and then that rod pushes in from this direction and gets locked into place. I'm gonna have to grab one of those, but for the most part, we have everything done other than throwing in the door panel. Well, fixing that little piece and throwing in the door panel. So we're gonna call it a day. I have the battery charger on it. I forgot I had the battery cable hooked up, so it drained our new battery, which I made a video on as well. We filmed it actually on my fiance's iPhone, tried to transfer it over to my computer. Some of the files got corrupt, and so I lost that video too. So we're back on the G7X. We're gonna film everything from here on out on the camera so I can take the SD card out, throw it in the computer, edit it, and get it out for you guys. If you guys have any video recommendations for the new year, let me know. I'm gonna try and hit as many car shows, truck shows, diesel events as I can. Hope to see you guys there. But anyway, remember learning as I do, doing I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.